Hello viewers, welcome you all to Medico Pages YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about GCS scale, that is nothing but Glasgow Coma scale. It is a type of tool which is mainly used for assess the neurological function of the patient. For neuro patient we have to use this tool in order to assess the neurological function as well as conscious level of the patient. Among these there is three components will be there. First one is eye response, then verbal response, then third one is we have to check the motor response of the patients. In these, the first component is eye response. How we have to check means by using the SPORE component. We have to check whether the patient is spontaneously responding to eye movement. Then we have to give 4 score. Then if the patient is respond to speech for eye, we have to give 3 score. For the pain, we have to give 2 score. If the patient is having doesn't have any response, in that situation we have to give 1 score. Then the final score of eye response is 4. Based on these components, we have to give a score for the patient. Among these, the second one is verbal response. In this 5 component will be the patient is oriented to time, place, person. Then we have to give 5 score. If the patient is confused state, then we have to give 4. For example, if you are asking any question to the patient is not responded correctly to that particular question, then we have to assess the patient was in confused state. We have to give 4 score. Then by inappropriate words, we have to give 3. The patient is having any incomprehensible sound, we have to give 2. The patient is not respond to the verbal command, so we have to give 1. In this, the total score is 5. Based on this component, based on the patient responses, we have to give score to the patient. For example, if the patient was in tracheostomy, in that condition we have to give 1 because the patient can't able to speak. Then the third one is motor response. In that, if the patient is obeying command to the response, then we have to give 6 score. While we are giving a pain stimulator to the patient, if the patient is moves to the localized pain, then we have to give 5 score. Then while we are giving a pain stimulator to the patient moved withdrawal from the pain, then we have to give 4 score. The patient is having any abnormal flexion, we have to give 3 score. For abnormal extension, we have to give 2 score. And if the patient is not responding to any motor stimuli, then we have to give 1 score. In that, total score is 6. Based on this patient response to particular situation, we have to give a score to the patient. At last, eye response 4, verbal response 5 and motor response 6. The total score of GCS is 15 score. If the patient is having 8 or less score of GCS, then we have to identify the patient as comatose, that is coma patients. Minimum score is 3 and maximum score is 15. Score 3 patients, the patient is not responsive to any verbal, motor as well as eye opening responses. In that condition only we have to give 3 score to the patient. That's it with the lesson. Tomorrow I will discuss with another interesting topic. Until bye from Medico Pages.